This video demonstrates how you can find the email address for any CEO from any company. It highlights the powerful data enrichment features of LinkFinder AI that simplify this process. First, select the type of input data such as company name, company domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Specify the input data type to guide the enrichment process effectively. Next, choose the output type, for example, company employees list, to define the desired results. Confirm the selection of the output type to proceed with data enrichment. Select the employee levels such as founder, owner, C-suite, director, or partner to filter results. Specify the seniority levels to focus on executives relevant to your search. Set the number of results you want to retrieve, for example, 25. Enter the desired number of employees to be returned, such as 10. Access the field to enter the company domain for which you want to find employees. Input the company domain, for example, tesla.com, to target your search. Click the Enrich Data button to start retrieving employee information based on your criteria. Review detailed information for each employee found in the list. Click the LinkedIn URL to access the profile of a specific employee, such as Fiona Chen. Check the employee's title, for example, Chief Human Resources Officer, to confirm their role. Select a new input data type to perform another enrichment, such as LinkedIn profile URL. Specify the new input data type to continue with the enrichment process. Choose the output type like LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address for detailed results. Confirm the selection of the new output type to proceed. Access the field to enter the LinkedIn profile URL for the employee you want to enrich. Input the LinkedIn profile URL, for example, http://www.linkedin.com/in/Fiona-Chen-6785BA97. Click Enrich Data to retrieve profile information based on the LinkedIn URL provided. The system displays profile data found, including email addresses like sarah.johnson@salesforce.com. Navigate to the API Access section to explore programmatic integration options. Click View API Docs to review detailed API documentation and usage guidelines. Select the B2B Data Lookup section to find relevant API calls for business data. Choose the Company Enrichment API to access company-specific data retrieval methods. Select the company domain to employees endpoint to fetch employee data by company domain. Review the example curl command demonstrating how to post a request to the API with authorization. Select the seniority parameter to filter employees by their level within the company. Return to the B2B Data Lookup section to explore additional API calls. Select the LinkedIn Profile to Email API to convert LinkedIn profiles into email addresses. View the curl command example for the LinkedIn Profile to Email API, including authorization and data payload.